Hi, I'm Naviyn. I'm a resident fellow in RC4 and I'm also in charge of the student life in RC4. I've been with RC4 since day one. We started with a small group of students as pilots. We had 30 students in the first pilot batch, then we scaled up to 60, then to 360, and then finally we reached the full house. The first question is, why are RC4 modules centered around systems thinking? The reason for choosing systems thinking is more aligned with the vision of the college. The vision of the college is being leaders of change in a complex world. So in order to prepare students for future ready, we found systems thinking to be an effective tool as it helps to understand the complex societal issue as an interconnected whole and also to devise solutions to problems. Can I start my own interest group? Yeah, students can start their own interest group in RC4. Before I go further, I think it's important to know what interest groups are. Students with similar interests, be it arts or sports or lifestyle or intellectual, they come together as a group and they can form their interest group. The college actually supports the formation of interest group in terms of funds, facilities, and also any other special training that is required. Actually, we have about 30 plus interest groups in the college in the category that I mentioned. So one interesting, unique interest group that we have is R4 Moda, which actually focuses on fashion and designing clothes. So they are actually going to do a fashion parade as part of our Arts Night production. Okay, who stays in RC4? So RC4, the heart of RC4 is the students. So majorly undergraduate students stay here. So particularly about 500 plus year 1 and year 2 students stay, and there are a few year 3 and year 4 students who stay under senior retention. They get this stay based on the contributions that they make in the first 2 years. And there are also a small number of international exchange students who come from different countries and different universities. And we also have resident fellows who are also fellows who may teach in RC4 or NUS. So we have 5 different resident fellows and our college master who stays in the building together with the students. And we also have student leaders who support the community here and who play an important role in forming a vibrant culture here. It could be resident assistants. Each level has a resident assistant. How to apply for stay in RC4? Mainly undergraduates apply for RC4. Actually, they apply in their freshman year. Once they get into RC4, they get a guaranteed 2-year stay. And a very few people, they get to stay in year 3 and year 4 depending on their contributions. So RC4 actually looks for enthusiastic students who want to come out of their shell and learn new things and try new things, experiment new things. Because the college is a place where you can experiment things that you have never tried before, or where you are hesitant to try due to various reasons. RC4 creates a safe environment. What programs are offered in RC4? Interesting out-of-classroom learning platforms that are offered in form of programs. One interesting thing is the steer trip. So recently we organized an overseas steer trip to Himalayas with the team Kono Himalaya. And another interesting program is a student-led program. It was launched in the last academic year, which focused on mentorship. So here the faculty members and alumni actually, they function as mentors to year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4 students. They get a chance to choose a mentor and they will have a journey with them. The mentees will have a journey with the mentor throughout the semester where they meet informally and discuss things.